Let's upgrade your bathroom with a new shower head.
It's not always necessary to turn off the main water supply, but it's definitely safer. Just make sure the shower head valve is off. Luckily, my shower head was very easy to remove, but otherwise you can use an adjustable wrench or pliers to loosen your old shower head. You can also wrap a rag around the shower arm to protect it from scratches. Turn the shower head counterclockwise to remove it. Just be careful. As you can see here, there was still water pouring out of the shower head, even though I shut the water off. Then you want to remove the Teflon tape that's on the threads. It can be a little tricky. Mine was a little bit difficult to pull off, but I did find a pair of tweezers that was very helpful in removing it. Then make sure to clean any of the threads for any other debris. Next, apply new Teflon tape. Wrap the threads of the shower arm with the Teflon tape to ensure a tight seal. Wrap it clockwise at least 2 to 3 times, pressing the tape into the threads. Great job so far. We're halfway through it. Now it's time to install the new shower head. My shower head has a magnetic base, so we're going to screw it onto the shower arm by hand, turning it clockwise. Once it's hand tightened, you can use an adjustable wrench or pliers to give it that additional quarter turn to ensure it's secure. Again, you can use a rag to protect the finish, but mine's out of plastic, so I could skip that part. Next, screw the shower hose into the magnetic base, but this one also comes with a gasket to help seal up the shower hose, so make sure you put that in first before hand tightening it into the magnetic base. Then on the other side of the hose, you have another gasket to place in before you screw it into the main shower head. Twist clockwise so it's nice and secure, and then you can test out your magnetic base holder. You can see I was genuinely surprised at how strong the magnet was, and it was super easy to take it on and off. Now it's time to test out your shower head by turning it on and testing it for leaks as well. Then I tested all the different sprays the shower head can do. And what was extremely important for me is that I could actually reach the shower head. The unit I had before was way too tall. I had to go on my tippy toes in order to reach it. So the design of this I liked because it lowered the shower handle to where I can actually reach it.
Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see another video like this, you can click the card right up here or click here for an entire playlist. And I will see you in the next video.